What's up, y'all? Welcome back. I have my Beautylish Lucky Bag. I got this for like 5 or 6 years in a row. In the past year or two, I have forgotten to get it. I don't know what I was doing, but I am so excited to have it now. So I did get the XL Lucky Bag. This is the $150 box. And if you don't know, it's based off of the Japanese tradition of Fukubakuro. If you're watching this, I'm sure you've seen them, but basically for $150, you get like way more than what you paid for value-wise. I can't remember what the value was. If I find it, I'll put it up on the screen for you. They always have really pretty packaging, and I absolutely love the design this year. It's so cute. And y'all, please excuse my appearance. I went to work today, but I saw that it was delivered, so I was like, you know what? I don't care what I look like today, even with my eye watering, ruining my makeup. So we got Oribe Desertland Replenishing Body Wash. Ooh, I'm not a fan of that scent. It's kind of like outdoorsy, kind of like woodsy smell. That's not me, but I'm gonna try not to look as I pick up more stuff. Got a Kitsch hair claw clip. You know, I love Kitsch. We got the, Auric. I heard about this brand. I can't remember the creator's name who created this, but this is the Smoke Reflect Cream and Powder Eyeshadow Duo. It's kind of one of the things about it, like, you have to be up for a gamble. Okay. It feels kind of like a putty dipped into the product. That's what it looks like. Well, that's pretty. If you wanted something like silvery, smoky looking, but like simple, it is something new for me to try. We got Charlotte Tilbury Luxury Pop of Palettes Color Coded Eyeshadow. Okay, so I think this is one of her eyeshadow quads. I don't have a lot of Charlotte. I think the few Charlotte things I have actually came from these Lucky Bags. Okay, so it's very typical Charlotte Tilbury. That's the only thing, like, for me, I will wear these for like a work day, but it doesn't really get me like excited. That's certainly not a bad thing to get. I'm not gonna complain. We have U Beauty the Plasma Lip Compound. That is a ridiculous box. Here's the product. I do like this applicator. Okay, it's sheer enough that I would wear it, but not to sound like super negative about every single thing, I would certainly not pick this color for me. I feel like peachy things like this are just not most suited for me. We got Natasha Denona Golden Highlighter Trio. It has Pearl, Sun Glow, and Bronze. In a perfect world, I would have gotten Natasha Shadows, but I'm certainly not going to complain about getting Natasha. I would probably never ever use this, but let me swatch Pearl and Sun Glow. I mean, not that I can't swatch it for you. Whoa! These are much more intense than I was expecting. That's beautiful for deeper skin, but wow, this is gonna be my color, and maybe I can probably mix these. I don't know if I could get away with using that one on its own because it's gonna be a little dark for me, but let me try the Pearl with it. That's beautiful. Okay, I will use her. We got Good Molecules Pimple Patches. Okay, like, I feel like I always get something from Good Molecules. Jupiter Hydrating Shampoo. Okay. I will say, I'm not a big fan of getting just a shampoo or just a conditioner. Not that you absolutely have to use the pair, but for me, like, eh. And then I have one more thing. This came out of the packaging, but this is a Sonia G brush. It is a flat definer. She does make absolutely beautiful brushes. I have one that I got in a Lucky Bag that I am absolutely in love with. So body wash, shampoo, and a hair clip. I could have done without those. The Charlotte Tilbury eyeshadow and the Natasha Denona highlighter. Those are both really nice. And then we got the Good Molecules Pimple Patches and then the Auric Eye Duo. If I had a crystal ball and I knew what I was going to get, I would not have purchased this. It's not terrible, and I'm totally okay once a year spending $150 not knowing what I'm going to get because I love doing this. I do admit this is a little lackluster for me. I'm most excited for the Natasha highlighter trio. I think I'm going to use this a lot. I will definitely use the brush. It is just one brush though. I mean, as amazing as it is, and I know how special these brushes are, it's just one brush, and it's a rather small one too, so it's not something I'm going to use like every single day, but when I do my eyes, I will certainly use this brush. And if I don't already have it, I'll use it. This would be definitely something simple for me. Try this out. But yeah, I feel like this is a little lackluster. Oh, and sorry, I completely forgot about the lip product. It's the shade Fawn, by the way, in case I'm putting this on again to like try to convince myself that this is amazing. I would have liked to have seen a different lip product. Y'all let me know if you would be disappointed in getting this as your lucky bag. So all in all, I don't know, it was just kind of a miss for me. I did get a few things that I'm going to use and love. I probably got my money's worth, but I did not get a big wow, oh my god, this is amazing. Let me know your thoughts about the box, and yeah, that's what I got in my lucky bag. I am definitely gonna be checking some other videos to see if I need to be jealous or if like everybody's was kind of like this. But y'all let me know what you think about it, and I will see you in my next video.